Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Assets are the backbone of every business. But what happens when your assets fail? Imagine a power plant shutting down, a fleet of trucks getting grounded, or your IT servers crashing. The losses are massive, reputations crumble, and competitors grab your clients. But here is the secret. Most asset-related disasters are preventable. In today's video, Risk-Proof Your Assets, the ISO 55001 way. We will explore how companies worldwide can use ISO 55001 to turn uncertainty into resilience and risk into opportunities. This isn't just theory, this is your blueprint to protecting your assets and securing your business future. Now let's talk about what is asset risk. Assets are anything that brings value to your organization. Machines, buildings, IT systems, vehicles, or even intangible assets like software. Asset risk is the possibility that these assets will fail or underperform, reducing or destroying their value. For example, a truck might break down during a critical delivery, a water treatment pump could fail and contaminate supply, or a cybersecurity breach could cripple IT infrastructure. Risk is a mix of two things: the probability of failure and the impact of that failure. Ignoring risk is like gambling with the future of your business. Now, why businesses fail at managing risk? Most businesses are reactive, not proactive. They rely on firefighting instead of risk-proofing. A machine breaks down and maintenance is called. A server is hacked and only then do they call cybersecurity experts. A bridge collapses and only then is an investigation started. This approach costs money, time, and reputation. Businesses fail at managing risk because they lack a structured framework, focus on short-term savings, ignore life cycle cost, and operate in silos where departments don't communicate effectively. Then what will be the result for this? Unnecessary downtime, unplanned costs, and frustrated stakeholders. Now, introduction to ISO 55001. This is where ISO 55001, the international standard for asset management, comes into play. ISO 55000 provides a structured approach to managing assets and their risk across the entire life cycle, from purchase to retirement. Think of ISO 55001 as the seatbelt and airbags for your business assets. It doesn't eliminate all risk but ensures you are prepared, resilient, and proactive. Built on principles of leadership, governance, risk-based thinking, life cycle management, and continuous improvement, ISO 55001 is not just about compliance. It is about survival and long-term success. Now let's discuss step-by-step guide to implement ISO 55001. Here is how to risk-proof your assets step by step. Leadership commitment. Top management must recognize asset risk as business critical. Define scope and objectives. Decide which assets and which risk matter most. Asset register and risk assessment. Document all assets, analyze criticality, and map risk. Risk treatment plans. Preventive maintenance, redundancy, training, or insurance. Integration with business processes. Align finance, operations, HR, and IT under one policy. Monitoring and KPIs. Track uptime, lifecycle cost, and incident trends. Audit and continuous improvement. Keep reviewing so that risk never creep back. When applied correctly, ISO 55001 becomes a weapon for resilience, not just a certificate. Benefits and competitive edge. The benefits are huge. Fewer unexpected failures, reduced maintenance and insurance cost, improved investor confidence, regulatory compliance, and higher safety standards. But beyond all this, it offers a powerful competitive edge. Customers and partners prefer working with resilient, reliable organizations. Risk-proofing doesn't just protect what you have, it positions you as a leader. Now we will discuss about the challenges and how to overcome them. Yes, challenges exist. Cost, resistance to change, and lack of expertise. But the solution is to start small. Run a pilot project on one department or asset type. Show the savings and reliability improvements and build momentum. Now let's discuss about the future of asset risk management. The future will combine ISO 55001 with technologies like IoT, AI, and predictive analytics. Machines will self-report risk, sensors will predict breakdowns, and data-driven decisions will dominate. Organizations that embrace ISO 55001 now will be ahead of the curve. So the big question here is, are your assets risk-proof, or are you one breakdown away from disaster? ISO 55001 is the shield your business needs to face risk head-on. It transforms assets from liabilities into secure, value-creating powerhouses. If this video helped you understand the value of ISO 55001, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this with business leaders who need to hear it. Remember, risk don't wait. Risk-proof your assets today, the ISO 55000 way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.